Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we dive into the life of Maya Kowalski, the young girl whose heartbreaking story shocked the world and inspired the Netflix documentary Take Care of Maya. What started as a desperate search for medical help turned into a legal and emotional nightmare that tore her family apart. But years later, where is Maya Kowalski now? Let's find out. Maya Kowalski was just 9 years old when she began experiencing unbearable pain throughout her body. Doctors diagnosed her with complex regional pain syndrome, or CRPS, a rare and extremely painful condition that affects the nerves. Her mother, Maya Kowalski, was a nurse who fought tirelessly to manage her daughter's pain through a mix of medical treatments and ketamine therapy. In 2016, Maya suffered a severe flare-up that sent her to Johns Hopkins All-Children's Hospital in Florida. But instead of receiving help, her family was accused of fabricating her illness, a condition known as Munchausen syndrome by proxy. The hospital separated Maya from her parents, suspecting her mother of child abuse. That decision would change their lives forever. Maya spent months in state custody, unable to see her family freely. Her mother, Beata, who had been wrongly accused and stripped of her parental rights, became emotionally broken by the ordeal. In January 2017, she tragically took her own life, leaving behind a letter that declared her innocence and begged for her daughter's freedom. After Beata's death, Maya was finally returned to her father, Jack Kowalski. The family later sued the hospital for their handling of the case, accusing them of negligence and emotional distress. In 2023, a jury ruled in the Kowalskis' favor, awarding them millions of dollars in damages, a symbolic victory after years of pain and loss. Following the lawsuit, Maya's story reached millions when Netflix released Take Care of Maya in 2023. The documentary exposed what really happened behind hospital doors, sparking outrage and national discussions about medical abuse, patient rights, and the limits of state power. Despite the renewed attention, Maya remained grounded. Today, she lives in Venice, Florida with her father Jack and her brother Kyle. Though she continues to battle CRPS, Maya can now walk unassisted and has become a symbol of resilience for people living with chronic illnesses. She maintains a low profile, but occasionally shares artwork and positive messages on her Instagram page, where she identifies herself as an advocate and artist. Where is Maya Kowalski now? As of now, Maya Kowalski is focused on rebuilding her life away from the public eye. Reports indicate she still lives in Florida, continuing treatment for CRPS while pursuing creative interests. Her family remains committed to advocacy, using their experience to help others facing medical and legal injustices. Maya has chosen privacy over fame, preferring to heal quietly and honor her mother's memory through courage and purpose. Though the scars of her past remain, her strength continues to inspire those who followed her story. Maya Kowalski's journey is one of pain, loss, and survival, but also of hope. From tragedy to triumph, she reminds the world that even in our darkest moments, the human spirit can endure. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on where they are now.